Welcome to another episode of Hawaii Energized, the show that's still spreading holiday cheer and fun.
Yes, Happy New Year, and I don't know about you, but I'm excited to take on 2018 and all the adventures it will bring. Speaking of adventures, have you ever been to the Habitat for Humanity Restore here on Oahu?
Ooh, yeah, I have, and that's why I'm super excited to share it with our viewers today. Because if you're like me and you want to make some home improvements this 2018, the Restore is a great place to find those special, unique treasures at an amazing bargain.
An amazing bargain that helps us reuse furniture, building materials, home accessories, and more. And sales from Restore directly fund Honolulu Habitat for Humanity's mission of building affordable homes on Oahu.
Yeah, what a great mission. They do so much good work for the community, so this season we teamed up with one of our contractors to give a little something back to them. Check it out.
Building hopes and dreams, 1 2x4 at a time. That's what Honolulu Habitat for Humanity has done for island families for close to 3 decades. One of the primary fundraising tools at the disposal of Honolulu Habitat for Humanity is its Restore Home Improvement and Donation Center in Kalihi.
Our Restore is part of Honolulu Habitats for Humanity's mission to end poverty housing here on Oahu. Our mission is to bring people together, build homes, communities, and hope, and Restore is a way that funds that mission every day.
For most nonprofit organizations, every penny really does count. Enter Hawaii Energy. During a visit to the Restore, it didn't take long for Hawaii Energy engineers to realize that swapping out the facility's old lights in exchange for state-of-the-art LED bulbs would provide immediate and long-term savings.
They helped us in every step of the way, from getting the fluorescent bulbs recycled, to getting these products donated, to getting the team to come in and donate their time.
At the end of the day, the retrofit would have cost more than $11,000. But thanks to Hawaii Energy's work and rebates, and the generous donation of labor and materials by Energy Management Consulting and Construction Hawaii, Honolulu Habitat for Humanity didn't pay a dime.
Nonprofits, they don't have the knowledge or the capability or the time to do all these types of things, or the capital to do all these retrofits. So I like to, as much as possible, help out the nonprofits and see what Hawaii Energy can do for them.
So awesome. Shout out to April at the Restore and the wonderful team at EMCC for helping to make that happen.
And speaking of wonderful people, as you just saw, our energy advisor, Kyle, facilitated this awesome project.
And so over the next few months, we wanted to give you guys the chance to meet all of our colleagues in our new segment called Fun Facts.
So without further ado, fun facts about Kyle.
Yeah, Kyle's a really good guy. He's very intelligent on, he's our lighting expert, so he knows everything about lighting and all the rating organizations, DLC and Lighting Facts and all those guys. So he's a resource for us for sure.
Very good at work and very good at play.
Oh, I like having Kyle in the office. He's one of those guys that's stealth. And you don't know he's there until he's like, oops, you're right over there. So you cannot talk about him because he might be stealth.
Well, Kyle is a man with very few words. But when he actually says something, it means gold. Very useful.
He has many talents. He's a foodie. So I always go to him when I need restaurant suggestions. He creates terrariums. He has ducks in his backyard. He goes to boot camp, so he's really, really fit. He's a nice guy.
All right, before we go, since it's the new year, we got to do a check-in with you guys and see what everyone's New Year's resolutions are. What's yours, Shayna?
Oh boy, I completely failed on my resolutions for last year, so I'm gonna resolve to make no resolutions this year.
What?
Okay, well, we asked our viewers the same question, and here's what they had to say.
To lose weight, to be fit, and also just be a godly person that just treats people well, and always think what God would do, and just make sure that everybody's loved and cared for.
For my New Year's resolution, I would like to do more service and giving for others.
My New Year's resolution would be make me time, have more time for myself, doing what I want to do, when I want to do it, and how I want to do it.
Take it one day at a time. That's my, no, for real, you know that. Because that's how you get to the new year, okay? Just for today, okay? This 24 hours, I'll do that, okay? I'll make somebody do that. Because that, in turn, energizes me to keep on doing what I'm doing.
Hey, those are pretty good. Leave us a comment below and tell us what your resolutions are. We want to see who has the most creative answer.
Oh, well, it's gotta be better than mine, right? In all seriousness, on behalf of the Hawaii Energized crew, we just want to wish you guys a happy and healthy 2018.
If you like our show, don't forget to please subscribe so you won't miss any new episodes from us. Hit us up on social media too at MyHawaiiEnergy.
Yep, and until next time, mahalo for stopping by, and we'll catch you in the next episode of
Hawaii Energized. Helping Hawaii make smart energy choices. Hawaii Energy.